Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Achoo! Thanks for you. Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure! Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go! It's like a cave in here! Hello!
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen!
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them! And I especially like bothering noses! Come on, bounce with me! Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not gonna bite. Plus, it's fun!
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming! Watch out!
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair! It's here to keep pollen like me, plus other things like dust particles, out of your nose. Well, it won't work! Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more!
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia!